Hey, remember the other day I made the chicken, the world famous, yummy, delicious chicken, curry chicken, barbecue chicken. It's just missing one thing, and that's my secret sauce. My secret sauce. So. Shh! Don't tell nobody about my secret sauce and my secret technique. See, first, you put pumpkin flaxseed in. Then, nobody would ever think. I think I told you, you put a little ketchup in it. And you put a little mustard in it. And the number one thing, the biggest thing of all, the biggest thing, and make sure you see, don't tell nobody. This is where I get it from. They say, my grandma used to make fish and thing and curry chicken and goat taste so good that they say she put her foot in it. They say she put her foot in it. And I was a little boy and I hear her. So now I cook. Everybody that come over say I cook so good. Why? I put my foot in it. I put my foot in it. It's yummy. It's going to be yummy, delicious. The whole family want to be so happy. Because I put my foot in it. Tasty. Come over for some, won't you? Mr. O, yummy, delicious cooking show.